Hey, this is Alan Acton from Cary Family Dental. I'm here at our 915 Kildaire Farm Road office, and I'm excited to say that later this month we're going to be moving our whole office and all of our patients back into this building again. We had closed for coronavirus, and we're going to be reopening it on October 19th. And I just want to show you a couple things. One, we've been upfitting our rooms, and we've doubled the number of treatment rooms that we have available. You can see one of our existing treatment rooms that we have here. You can see the chair, you can see all the supplies and everything that we have. But as we move into this other room, we're still finishing the renovation. And you can see here, this room, which had been an office, is in its final stages of getting upfit. So we're all very excited about this and look forward to seeing you once we reopen.